Hello guys, we are here in the park and see. I don't know what it is. Ganda guys. Diba? Actually, galing na kami dito. Nakaraan. No bird. They hiding. We just won't go there. We found a bird. What's this place, Einstein? Sandvika. Sandvika daw.
The postcode here is Lead.
Lead.
Just call it the Lead place.
Lead place. Where's the bird? We just look the bird. You can go there, oh, on the stair. Diving daw yun. Ayan. Ah. Diving area. Ang ganda dito, guys. Looks like a beach. May ano siya, sand. Yeah. No birds. What happened? Ayun. They're hiding. There's the duck.
There were ducks there and then they just walked away.
Ganda dito, guys. Where it is? Over there. They heard us.
Cold.
Yeah, it's cold here now.
Trying to cool off.
He looks like Muslim. Sand siya, sand. It's a sand. Give me some, huh? I feed you too. After that, you swim. The big one. Hi. Here, Oyster. Here. Yay! Give me. There's a bird. Pwede po maligo dito pag summer. We go there because we saw the big one. Swan. This one? Yan guys. Big swan here in Oslo, Norway. On the water. She can get that.
Mark.
The two of don't. You don't care.
You wash it. You wash it to put sand.
Yeah. Don't throw in the sand. He looks old. Good, Oystein. Ah, he have a mark. Oystein, he have a name. What happened?
You only that big one, is it?
You don't know, look, he looks mad.
Maybe
Give me.
scared.
So guys, give go. Hi. I stand here. Come here. No birds. Look at that.
Jealous? No,
What happened today? Looks like snake.
no, because he doesn't like that he's coming close.
Mm,
Is it?
yeah.
And when I give them food, he goes towards there.
Don't go far here only.
Why is he?
Ayun na, dumadami na sila. Quack, quack, quack. Where's the other? Yeah. They have many food.
Why is he so scared?
It was big. Give me. There's more here.
Yeah, we stand.
Is it allowed? Not allowed?
You there?
No. They want the soft. Soft. Yeah. They're happy. They have food. Hey. Bye-bye. Finish. Bye-bye, Swan. Where he going? Go there. Bye-bye! So, finish na. We going home na. Done feeding the bird.